Watch this tiny architect weave a hanging mansion with just its beak.
This is a male weaver. He plucks fresh grass and starts an egg cup frame. With flexible grass, he ties strong knots, creating a secure nest. This natural engineering is vital for attracting a mate.
Each nest becomes an upside-down flask, with a side entrance to outsmart predators.
When it's ready, he performs a hanging dance to impress her.
She decides in seconds, accept the home or reject it. Approved, approve, or rejected.
Nature's design never fails. Follow for more wild builders.